Gurugram University affiliated Dronacharya College of Engineering has received an overall rating of 3.9 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How are the BTech courses here? Let's find out in this detailed college review video. Starting right off with placement, which has been rated 4 stars. In the 2022-23 placement drive, 256 out of 285 eligible candidates received offers, resulting in about 90% placement rate. While the highest package offered was 36.5 lakh per annum, the median salary was around 5.25 lakh per annum. A quick comparison with the North Cap University reveals that DCE is steadily improving and aiming to match their median packages. Companies such as Adobe, Deloitte, Airtel, Cisco, Samsung, Maruti Suzuki, and American Express, among others, participate in the campus placement drive. Recruitment partners like CoCubes, PrepInsta, and eLitmus have been roped in to enhance placement opportunities. The top roles offered include software developer, product manager, data scientist, and analyst. Regarding internships, the college assists students in securing opportunities. A total of 9 BTech specializations are available, with 5 focusing on computer science, including unique options such as IoT, cybersecurity, robotics, and automation. The eligibility requires a minimum of 50% in 10+2. 75% of the seats are allocated through HSTES counseling based on JEE main scores, while the remaining seats are filled through direct admission based on 10+2 merit. A quick look at the 2023 cutoffs reveal that competition eased for all the branches compared to 2022. Coming to the cost of the program, the total course fees amounts to approximately 6 lakhs. Moving on to infrastructure, that has been rated 3.9 stars by students. Located in Gurugram, Haryana, DCE offers a Wi-Fi enabled campus with spacious and well-stocked library. First year students have access to smart air-conditioned classrooms. While the institute does not provide hostel facilities, it has well-equipped labs including dedicated programming languages and manufacturing labs. The campus even has a virtual lab along with several centers of excellence including IMAT, PCB, and robotics and automation labs. Apart from these, there are R&D and advanced training centers available for research enthusiasts. A number of indoor and outdoor sports are available. Students benefit from bus services and round-the-clock medical facilities, ensuring a comprehensive and supportive learning environment. Speaking of faculty, students have given them a rating of 4.2 stars and shared that the faculty members are highly qualified and most holding PhDs from reputable institutions. They are helpful and supportive. The curriculum includes numerous hackathons, industry visits, mentorship sessions from industry experts, ensuring that students gain practical experience. The college collaborates with remote learning partners such as IIT Bombay, IIT KGP, and NIEER Chandigarh to provide workshops, boot camps, and short-term courses. Students benefit from hands-on experience through learning partners such as Cisco Networking Center and Honeywell ICT Academy and more. In fact, the college has ties with Kyushu Institute of Technology, Japan for the joint collaborative research program. To support business entrepreneurs, the college offers training in business modeling, idea generation, cash flow management, negotiation, and sales skills through activities and events. Apart from these, the association with the Spoken Tutorial project at IIT Bombay helps students learn various FOSS, that is free and open source softwares like C and C++, Java, Linux, PHP, MySQL, and more. Moving on to Campus Life, rated 3.7 stars. More than 10 student-run cultural and sports clubs are there conducting events throughout the year. Additionally, technical societies contribute to expanding learning opportunities. Currently, DCE is unranked in the NIRF ranking. For more details on DCE Gurgaon and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.